Fight!
It's a trap!
Guys with small thumbs, oh.
Aww.
Bakit gano'n? Dapat nga you win eh. Kasi you boy and girl. What the fuck? So are you saying the girls are meant to be losers as well? Yay! It's a heart day. Malilibre.
You look so fucking small beside me, Nelo.
Malilibre.
Uy! Uy, you look small. Interesting. You scoot down. You scoot down too. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, it is a video.
Jeff is a large man with small things. Like, hindi maganda ang naging.
Yeah. Tsaka daw like
You can take off the ring. Today is my last day. Okay,
Any last words for now?
coming after you. Getting a plane ticket.
Oh, this will be on Facebook later.
Coming after you. Knock knock. Ah! Please like it on Facebook. Pizza. Right, I will review.
Well, at least she wore something inside. Before you just wore... Uy, last time you wore that with just a fucking bra. It's like showing.
Nice. Yeah. Had a pretty bad experience. Ganda na. Why? Did somebody try to bring you home? No. What happened? I can ask. And like, ayan. Kamusta naman sa...
Shit, that's scary shit.
That's funny.
People should not talk to you that way.
Okay. If pag isang tao, pero kung hilera ng lalaki, saan ko yan? Yes, ang benta ng
Benta yung bra niya nung araw na yun. Di ba yun yung may character? Something, yung mga rumiribon-ribon mong bra. Di ba yun yung bra mo nun?
Just may Pikachu mong bra. Light blue with flowers. Ito ata yun. Yeah, ito yun. Oh my God, no? That's nice.
Mami ni Risa, oh. Risa showing her bra strap.
To strangers.
To strangers.
By the way, Mom, you allowed me. You allowed me to show your bra to strangers. This guy is enjoying it.
I know, right? Look, oh, it's going up. Oh,
Ah.
no.
The heck?
His ego.
Yeah,
Going
that's
up.
true.
You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Not ego, pleasure. In pala yun, sorry. Ay, it's baliktad. I don't know. Bakit kasi nasabi ang gwapo? Feel na feel mo naman. Ano ba to? Ganito ba dapat?
Kamukha nga daw kami Shrek. Oo ba?
Hannah. Bye-bye. See you in 3 months. Don't get your hymen cut or things like that.
Are you good?
Are you good? Just as long as you're happy.
Yeah, no.
I do not promote this.
You're happy, but we're not.
사랑해. Lisa Chan, Ina Chan, Jack Chan. Why is it
Joa
Chan?
Chan.
Ay, sorry.
What is it for a guy?
Moon.
Yeah, ba't alam mo?
Oh, siya ni May.
Or just you watch hentai?
Punta tayo sa brush. Oh my God. Punta sa brushes.